the WRC Safari Rally 2025. Revisha and feel the roar.
Akatesta chitab kolenyinotochin kenyorolekab emet en koindo kainin ko Victor Korir ketoune logo chetinyegei ak mung'aret ole tetei kibagengeit nebo chemung'arainik nebo Chamber of Commerce en county nebo Uasin Gishu tuyet neo neiyumi chemung'arainik tugul chebo Noreb asikobit konet chemung'arainik akobo ortinwek chelelach chebo mung'aret ak boroinwek chebitu en mung'arosiek. Kinyoru report nebo Isaac Kogei.
Kong'ololi kasarta nekorutochi ofisitab County Commissioner nebo Uasin Gishu komwa kibagengeit notok kondochi nebo ng'echeret Willy Kenei kole tinye tetutik icheket noton nebo kotet tuyetab chemung'arainik kobun emotinwek cheterter eng taunetab Eldoret ole tinye kamang'unet noton nebo konet chemung'arainik akobo boroinwek cheimuchi konyor kobun tuyonotok.
Through the County Commissioner's office in terms of security on behalf of the private sector and the business community from Uasin Gishu County. Today we've called on County Commissioner's office to have some engagement in terms of security and also discuss the planning of Eldoret International Business Summit that is upcoming from 24th to 26th of this month. A very big event happening here in Eldoret City, the first major investment forum, especially after Eldoret becoming a city. We expect 10,000 delegates to attend from all over Kenya and internationally, and also locally, to come and interact with the policy makers, to also come and interact with other business people in the B2B session that we will have, the business engagement panel discussions and the guest speakers that we will be having.
Kamwa Kenei eng kibagenge ak membaekab chemung'arainik chotok kole tinye boroindo chi age tugul koyai mung'aret eng taunetab Eldoret amo eng kaimutik alak tugul.
Again, during the same time, we'll have training for our youth in business. This being sponsored by our partner Jinue, who are partnering with KNCCI nationally. So it will be a very busy week for us here in Eldoret and even the Noreb region. We also expect the participation of the 8 Noreb counties, full participation of the Noreb 8 counties, and we can confirm that the leadership of these counties have also confirmed their full participation.
Some icheket chemung'arainik chemengechen konamgei eun tugul asikobit komuktochi icheket kobarait boroinwek chotok chebo mung'aret.
Bwa asikobit keng'alal ak kesom akobo ng'alekab ripset eng igorta netun ketinye eng tarik 24, 25 ak 26. Ako kiboiboen mising ko ki kandoikab chemung'arainik chebo Uasin Gishu notok ko Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry amu kakohakikishanwech County Commissioner ripset ak kalyet eng betunoto. Tun ketinye toek cheter ak cheter chebunu Kenya ak chebunu sang emotinwekab sang ko kisome kele asikobit obwa asikobit nyoru boroindo ak chemung'arainik chebo emotinwekab sang nyoru models, business models cheter ak cheter chekiboru eng betunoto.
Kosubkei ak County Commissioner Dr. Edison Nyale komite barak mising ripsetab kalyet ak tetutik chotok chetoreti chemung'arainik kosuldae mung'arosiekwak eng nyumnyumindo.
Uasin Gishu kabla na baada kuteuliwa kuwa mji mkuu tayari ulikuwa uko na usalama mkubwa sana, na baada ya kuteuliwa tumezingatia sana kuona kwamba tunaweka mji huu katika usalama. Hakuna kundi lolote lile ambalo limejitokeza wala uhalifu wa aina yoyote ule ambao umetokeza kuleta changamoto ama kuleta tisho la waegezaji katika mji huu. Kwa hivyo hilo ni hakikisho kubwa ama tosha la kupatia nyinyi waegezaji, wafanyi biashara kutoka maeneo mbalimbali katika nchi yetu ya Kenya muweze kufika katika nchi na jiji ambalo ni tulivu, nchi ambalo liko na nafasi kubwa ya kupeana nafasi ya kuendeleza biashara zenu. Kwa hivyo msiwe na hofu, msiwe na shaka, kwa sababu usalama upo, viongozi wapo, na usalama ni kila mtu. Diposa utulivu upo. Kila mtu katika gatuzi hili ni mwenyeji na mbwiji wa usalama katika mashinani.
Tatat kotoi ketuyonotok iumi chemung'arainik kong'eteke tarik 24 agoi tarik 27 eng taonitab Eldoret. Kong'eteke taonitab Eldoret eng county nebo Uasin Gishu, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu ko Isaac Kogei.
Tesetai tetutik chebo letetab stimet eng komoswek che kikitaban en kasarta nekoi en komostab koning'ote ng'atutik nebo Keyo South County nebo Elgeyo Marakwet. Kamwa MP nebo komosatak Dr. Gideon Kimayo kole takomiten ng'wony koitetab biik che kitinye stimet en Keyo South kobaten borchingei keker kole kakileta stimet koiti komoswek tugul missing ko wadishek chebo Soy North ak Soy South che kikitaban en kasarta nekoi. Ng'ololi Kimayo en Kass FM en tetutiet nebo Lene Emet.
Sitimet nebo Keyo South otieme eng ortinwek tugul akalapta kong'ete 26% akoi 80% by 2027. Teresa ak Boaz momi robinik chekelin kityo ngiwe ofisitab sitimet nebo Kenya Power kele orochu chebo Keyo South. Anan iwe nebo Rerek kele orochu chebo Keyo South. Orochu chebo Bomet, orochu chebo Kericho, orochu chebo ano. Kimaisot. Yani iboishe diplomacy neng'ung. Ko diplomacy komi nekebare coercive diplomacy ako mi soft diplomacy. Ara nganyoru rani anyoru Boaz ongen olo dilenda yano. Ayeku ra coercive anan ayeku soft. Senyoru kinoko nekomoche. So ngabwachut office ko situmok chitesetai. Ako korok akoch wananchi koelewan ale korom sikenyor robinikab sitimet. Ko mheshimiwa nekiokeri nekimiten ng'echeret 2017 akoi 2027 akoi 2022 nekiokeri eng 5 years chekimiten ng'echeret ko kiib only 5 schemes chebo stimet. 5 schemes ko kiib transformer, scheme ko transformer agenge akipchechi raia. Ko kiimut eng kenyisiek mut. That means one scheme in a year.
One transformer per year.
Per year. Kumaboto mun korom. Lakini ang'ololi songong yu representative biikab Keyo South mite transformer nebo 53 eng kenyisiek aeng ak nusu.
53.
Aim nenyu ko sitimet nebo Keyo South koit 80% in 2027. Akot ka ole nyache. Kukanyoru ane kasit 2011. Ko kialipan sitimet 150,000. So kuna sitimet ole nyo. So angin the pain nebo raia konyor sitimet. And especially ameche amwochi biik korok chebo soy, yani soy ngulinyo ko in valley. Mi Soy North ako mi Soy South. Chekike neglectan for many years. Ameche alechi biikab soy. Soy North, biikab Kochol, Waulin, chebo Katumoy, chebo Kimoloi, chebo Setano, chebo Munyek, chebo ulibo Kapsegut. Ameche amwochi biikab soy inyo ulibo Chang'ach Barak, iwe ulimbo Kapsiekwa, irekte Menone. Biik chekikineglectan amun kiwa chumba alak chekimitai ngane ko kibore biik alak menye korokoro ngeringen amun soy olin komeche ko in an achieve area. Alecho imuchumbe neibu walet eng soy. Ako already kokokoro walet eng ngalekab situmok chetechu kobwa Soy South ak Soy North amun biik chekikakikut kikakisas. Lailech eng kasarta nenyu nebo Songo aimuchumbe nengwong okere walet. Amun ako sukulishek manyolu kabisa Teresa kikitinye CDF kong'ete 20 kokait devolution kokait ngalekab CDF 22 kikitou CDF 22 kanyo kibake ngatakitu kongering robinik that time akoi rani kochang robinik chata manyolu eng constituency age tugul eng Kenya kotokomi class nebo bagoinik manyolu eng constituency age tugul nebo Kenya kotokomi class nebo kibatishek kwaitu ane constituency nenyu akamwole ngoite 2027 komainyoru class akot agenge nebo secondary nebo primary nebo bagoyot. Ako kotoune biik chebo Soy South olin kikinyanyasan. Eng sukul nebo Kiptabach kokorokcho klasishek 6 nyipkeote kakiyat sukul. Eng sukul nebo Kibigor ornoto korokcho klasishek kikakineglectan kibo bagoyot. Eng sukul nebo Adventist Tarakwane kokorokcho klasishek. Eng sukul nebo Ngobisiyu, eng sukul nebo Munyek, eng sukul nebo Kimoloi, eng sukulishek cho tugul. Ameche okacha assurance biik tugul chebo Keyo South alech oistoi kibatit ak bagoyot tukoek permanent klasishek tugul eng Keyo South. Amun manyolu kotektekeni robinikab CDF keyae ortinwek tuguk alak amakitar kit neki intentional nebo ketar ngalekab keisto bagoyot ak klasishek chebo kibatit.
Kaikoito kurset en meng'ik chebo county nebo Elgeyo Marakwet koistogei anan koistoengei yautik chekikosir kasarta chetinyegei ak yatitaetab lagok che tibik anan female genital mutilation. Saadia Hussein ak Sally Chepchumba ko alak en kwonyik chekibun koimutienotok bo FGM ole kosom kitononi chotok amun ng'eme mising chametabgei nebo lagok che tibik.
Female genital mutilation is rampant in 22 hotspot counties, where Elgeyo Marakwet is part of the 22 hotspot counties, and that is why we are targeting especially the Embabut area, the Marakwet East, where we are saying girls must be free from female genital mutilation. In Kenya, we are talking about 15%, but then going down to communities, FGM rises, where we have as high as 94% within the Somali communities. My message as a survivor of FGM who has been in this campaign for quite some time and has been championing for the rights of women and girls, I urge the Marakwet community to end FGM. And this is for their own good because it is a real transformation and it is for the benefit of both women and girls. And I'm saying komesha FGM sasa.
Experience yangu na maneno ya FGM ili anza wakati nilikuwa msichana mdogo sana wa miaka 11, na wakati ule nilikuwa nina trust wale ambao wako na mimi. Ninajua kwamba hakuna yule mzazi ambaye atakubali mtoto wake apitie jambo ambalo sio zuri. Kwa hivyo haikuwa ni experience mzuri, imekuwa effects ya FGM imenifuata kutokana na ule wakati nikiwa mdogo, kwa ile uchungu ambao nilipitia, na baada ya hapo kuna ile psychological na mental challenge yenye unapitia all through kwa maisha yako wakati umepitia FGM.
Na kama viongozi wa kidini tunaungana pamoja kukemea na pia kukataa jambo hili la ukeketaji kwa sababu si kimaandiko.
Akakomwa minister nebo ribetab kalyet en emet orit Kipchumba Murkomen kole tomo konyor logoiyot age tugul kotinygei ak kit neki minister nebo public service Justin Muturi kole kokoisto serikali ribikyik chebo kalyet kong'ololi en county nebo Kwale. Komwa Murkomen kole makat en Muturi komwaita notok koityi inspector general nebo police asikonyor toretet.
That's a small issue that can be sorted by the IG. I don't think it can be escalated to the office of CS. If he has any entitlement, it will be checked. In the first place, to know if it is true. And once we know it is true, it can be sorted by the IG. I think that's a small issue. If he requires to escalate it to my level, I'm sure he can write to me. In the security sector, we don't do things politically. Yeah, we must all follow the law. And I don't think any security can be withdrawn from any person who is entitled to for political reasons. And as I said, I will get the clarification from the IG. There's a possibility, of course, of scale down because of when you are no longer holding office. And that's what we expect, all of us. When you are no longer holding office, they will scale down the security. But there is no reason for me to believe that he doesn't have security until I get a proper brief.
Ketochinigei county nebo Wajir ole kokomuch county nebo Wajir koter letetabgei nebo miondo notok bo Kala-Azar nekoipchi biik 29 kobet sobonwekwak. Akamwa governor nebo Wajir Ahmed Abdullahi kole tesetai sipitalishek eng komosatak kotyokto biik sipitalishek ak kora kokwo ngwony kotetab biik cheititoi sipitalishek kocheng'e konyoiset kotinygei ak mionotok. Kong'eten kotoigei mionotok en Wajir en arawetab 9 kenyit nebo 2024 kokomuch koityi biik chenekit 600 ako testai tetutik chebo kekirinda mionotok cheboto kabesetab korik.
Working together with the national government and with also other players in this sector of health, I can comfortably say that we have brought it under control, and we are doing our very best to ensure that there is no one more life lost. We have now stabilized in a big way. The admissions now are far less than the discharges. We're discharging more people than we are admitting. The regional blood center that we have here, the regional laboratory and the satellite blood transfusion center that we have here, which today has been enhanced more by these deliveries of this new equipment, has really been critical to our ability to respond to this forgotten tropical disease called Kala-Azar.
Wajir, with the equipment that they received today, makes the first county in Kenya to offer what we refer to as apheretic platelet services. Apheretic is a process that donors donate only what the patients require, and that makes the service safe and efficient. Additionally, the county now has all the components of blood that is required for transfusion purposes to save the lives of our people. And the capacity the county has today can serve even the adjacent counties like Mandera and Garissa while the systems are put into place.
Kakotach serikalitab county nebo Laikipia ketesiet nebo ICT Hub nekochop kibangetab Safaricom Foundation koboisie rabinik chete silingishek million 3.5. Kamara magicheret kibangenatok po Safaricom Foundation Joseph Ogutu kole toretonotok kotokyingei keker kele ketoret neranik chechang konyor kamuget nebo koboisie muswoknotetab kasari en cheng'etab boisionik koboto en tetutik cheterter chebo somanet.
We are here to hand over an ICT lab that is fully kitted with new computers as well as connectivity, printers to support the training of the young people who are attending this technical training center. This program is part of a larger Safaricom Foundation program that is aimed at renovating our technical training centers together with what the county governments are doing to ensure that students together with the instructors have got access to digital content, and they also have the possibility of acquiring digital skills. This is absolutely crucial because we are moving into a digital world, and our technical students that go through various technical training colleges need to have those skills so that they can access the most latest information about the skills that they're being trained for, because the future is digital. So those who are coming out of these institutions must be ready for that future.
Tena tunataka kuchukua hii nafasi kushukuru Safaricom Foundation kwa sababu tumewaona wakisupport other schools, development of our schools katika eneo ya Laikipia County, na tena tuko na mazungumzo ya vile wanaweza kusaidia hata hospitali zetu zikuwe well connected with wifi na hata mambo mengine ya facilities zingine. Kwa hivyo tuko kwa mazungumzo, na kwa hivyo on behalf of Laikipia County, the great people of Laikipia County, nataka kuchukua hii nafasi kushukuru Safaricom Foundation. Yale yangu ni kuyasema ya kuhimiza vijana wetu tuweze kusupport na tuweze kutumia zile vifaa, zile kompyuta zimeletwa hapa kutengeneza biashara, kuuza mali zetu na hata kuaccess the government services. Na tena nasi kama county government tutahakikisha kwamba tumeweka na tumeajiri wale wafanyikazi wale watasaidia wananchi wetu kuwezesha kusoma mambo ya kompyuta, mambo ya wifi, mambo ya connectivity. Tutaajiri, na hiyo ndio kazi ile serikali itafanya. Na tena ningeomba wananchi hata wale hawajajua mambo ya kusoma kompyuta, kutumia kompyuta, tungewaomba ya kwamba waweze kukuja hapa John hapa katika Media Vocational Training, waweze kujifundisha, waweze kusoma, na kwa sababu ile mwelekeo tunaelekea katika nchi yetu ni mambo ya dijitali.
2, 3 makofi.
Chitab kolenjin en urerioshek kotetat kelumdaen betutab Jumamos nebo weekend ni kabiletab kee nebo mpiretab keldo nebo Sonko Tournament netete MP nebo Keyo South Dr. Gideon Kimayo kong'ololen tetutiet nebo len emet en Kass FM International ng'onotab rani kotach ine meng'ik chebo Keyo South komongei en chong'indo asikomuch koborionji kabiletab kee nekokosirgei timishek chete 134 ole tetat kikochi silingishek million 5 timit neibelishe en urerionotok.
So in Keyo South kule kakamwa ketinye 138 polling stations. So out of the 138 koko register timishek 134. So angwan ichege je ma register. Awong kitok timishek tugul ko all jini uniform ko bek. Tugul. Ago nyoru mbiret tugul. Ko so far ko timishek karibu 80 chuko konyor mbiret ak uniform. Tuko mi karibu 40 ogole 50 jitom konyor lakini ako chini assurance tugul ore nyoru uniform. Ago nyoru mbiret. Singoto gotiore mbiret ko gotinye ngwai. Eng Jumamos kitnya kemenetai nebo the host. Which is the host to go in team in the area nito kebendi negile kabokpok sesha activity nebo gewamwen kuto ujaget kutori as a curtain raiser mbire na tai aboti ole nyoru uniform chukwa raini ko kage print and everything kemo ile mbiret ko jam kutindoi emotions yani mbiret ko git ne chang mashabik chang tu lakini kiotep chingwany mbirani kongete last year January awe register ni timishek December so all planning no go katestai there is a lot of planning because kige so many rules kige gur coach kige gur captain kige so man rules kige job rules tol one o major legend mashabik ak team ni bombiret ngumwe sup sharia chege satan kibonon amami compromise agongen biga yo so ko ama disciplinarian ga mole kibononen yani mami ego mami bi ngaga gele kibononen so mashabik yemeje gono in chaos yani ibu in chemarget konyo kiwanja iyo rubenji ni timu ngwa amun gen na mashabik na kanam kamera itkile Trisa ago Trisa ko timit negile ano
konon timit agenge ngelo agoi ni agoi December
ka gole Trisa agoi timit bugai ga agochin
ikaje nengong nebo
ka
aya chiongon timit kabisa na ninge ni la dokten ya nende agoi December yes
bas sasa timit ab Trisa ko ga agoi ne totowis to boy ga bokpok ka te host so sesi ga bokpok ko nengong Trisa ko ngetera
bas
so ngotko ko nguno Trisa ko kon chaos ako namin kamera it ko lenyin nege kono chaos ngewanja ke bona ni timingu amami kabisa magitango inoto kemun mi bi nguno ingele birano kora ko ami siasa kumi bi chike turege to ling siasa agne ko mo siasa ko nyombirano ko lendo sikige ngem mi nguno jago no lebongo ne ko lendo ngem dagiliot lakini soko sul dagi aga to ko lakutung sugul ko cham ko mi to jito na serious ang alega discipline
yes
deputy da ngo soko sul dagi aga to ko aku tingkam punyo ngot ko mabi discipline ko mo go to Trisa studio on time mo go po as on time so matters discipline ag rules chike ke job ke subi kabisa aga meja legend ke jana egin kiga mole nganda ko meja cher ke jana ko tiar mbire to liain ko amot akanyan ko nilo legend mbira ne ko optional malasima gut kame muji sub sharia che ko jobe kome sub mun sa personal tournament igany no serikali ne mo mi sharia lakini aga tokol ne ko chop chi ko ndo sharia so yo chop sharia agu ki chop tokol yo gur public participation ko coach agapten agu ko sign nan ko legi sub sharia ju so aboto le ne ku common with kapesa so ko solda ko sharia gi subi agi discipline kigita registration December that was done kigi goita peak 25 chijisone kitinye picha ngwai kitinye ID ne bajito gol so mamige wala walin
timisha ka players yes
ago chijito ko gigi suba ko mun gigi meje mbirano ko benefiten chitab ke yo so so gigi suba ko lebunu ago opening jito gol meling opening jito gol ne menye ke yo so meling gol ne beregura ke yo so ne menye ke yo so kwa mfano mu senda ne unyoru ndago flax ndago ga mosori ndago ga tagat ndago ga toro ko ndago getan ndago bire tuo komite biki mo ba ko tetap ko lenji lakini mengi ga bioto ko mo gitebe gele nya kuranda mitinya magimiyo kimi gele mingindet ko ngen jito goles ko le mi wesonga ne menye jib koryo cham ko koldo bujeri ko ngen jito gol ko bayri ena ta ko torchini bire tabano yoto mi chi ne mo ba ge yo saut po wote tagal lakini minya flax lakini kingen tokol gele nanyo chi kige mingishe tokol ko chom sharia ko je san dimi tabioto so mogni favorism gele chitane buno sanga ma tiare mbire tabana kimi jo tiare chi tokol ne minginde tab ke yo saut
Chitab kolenjin chotoklegab emet imuch keibun en tetutiet nebo Kass mashinani kubun Kass TV. Nekasomanun kwane Victor Korir amagun betut nemie.
With the WRC Safari Rally 2025, Revisha and feel the road.